Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I want to share with you some beautiful happy mail that I'll be sending out to ARTYmaze. So Andrea, if you're watching, you can totally skip this video. And this kit is a beautiful happy mail piece. I will share them one by one, but first I want to share with you the box that I altered. It's a plain pizza box that I use for shipping because I just love that size and it fits the perfect amount of pieces, and also it has just a good shipping value. So as you open her up, it's just white, but the outside I used a beautiful paper sheet that I got from Brittany. And this is also what I used for the back. And then on the side, I used this plain craft colored paper. Craft colored paper tape. So let me put everything inside. And for the packaging of this mail, I used a vintage sewing paper or pattern paper that has such a beautiful, I just love it. It says a faux pattern, size medium, and it's for six pieces. And this is what I put inside. As you can see, some beautiful goodies that she will receive to play with, and of course I will tuck in some surprise items as I close her up. But this is how I package package her beautiful happy mail. This is the beautiful box that I created using the Minte paper. If you want some information about the items that I used, please let me know, because all of these have been in a kit as well, and I'll put a link down below. For this kit, Carmen was the guest designer for that, so she also received her beautiful package, so I'll put that video down below. So as you can see, I stuffed her full with lots of beautiful trinkets. I'll try to take them all out and show them to you. Whoops, one went like this. Some gorgeous, this is a beautiful glass bead here. Then some tassel, which she can really alter herself as well. Some cabochon pieces that have really beautiful colors according to the papers that and items that I put in this package. A beautiful quote word there. So, oops, because they're so teeny tiny pieces, I just tried to maybe put it like so on the side and share them later. Some filigree pieces as well that have, some have dimension and other ones are more flat. And I just love these combinations because you can use these for layering, but also you can distress all of these using acrylic paints, using like distress oxides, all kinds of medium nouveau drops, everything. You can use alcohol markers. So these are really perfect for base. And for more like trinkets or the same colored pieces are these. Let me see, let me show you that. Yeah, this one. Beautiful. And this is a beautiful assemblage piece there by Tim Holtz. Sort of a hot air balloon there on top. Such cute elements. And then for the teeny tiny things that I have inside. Some brads there, some glass beads again. This one is such a beautiful, it looks like it has laid a long time across the shores, and then you found it as a gem on your vacation. That's how it looks like. I just love this. Beautiful. And then some coordinating brads there, as I said. Some others, specialty beads here. Such a cute, I just love these colors. Beautiful, it's just flakes of gold. And then for the other pieces, again this beautiful bead here. I love that one. Such a cute one. And then some bling elements as well. And last but not least, these last items that will be there. So she will have lots of beautiful trinkets and bits and pieces to create with, to craft with, to use in her future projects, and I cannot wait. Oh, I'll put that one later in. So cannot wait for her to open that up. Then I want to share this cute pocket that I created here. It just holds a photo booth piece from the Tim Holtz again. I know she loves to use Tim Holtz items. A bulldog clip with a beautiful danger here that was created by Patricia. Thank you so much for that, Patricia. This beautiful hand crochet carnation is made by a friend from Germany, and unfortunately I just cannot get them there, but Patricia also crochets, so I asked her if she would give it a try, and maybe in the future there will be more possibilities to order it from her and to get your hands on these as well. So that's such a beautiful, beautiful image. I just love these. That's for that. Then I also rolled a piece of lace with some twine there, and this holds a rosette that she can put together, and this beautiful frame die that is also from the Tim Holtz collection. So yeah, that's something that she can of course use in the pictures, or however she would like to do that. Then some handmade envelopes. These are made from old hankies, and I stitched through this, as you can see, like so, and also tea stained the beautiful, beautiful image. And I just love the stitching. Can you see the stitching? I wish I could do that, but I just don't have the time or the patience to do so. So I'll slip this off, and then you will see that I put in some beautiful pieces there. Some beautiful pieces. This is a beautiful netting here that she can use. It already came like this in this color. Beautiful vintage trim here, and this is also a vintage trim. And tucked in the bag are some tags, manila tags, that she can alter herself. And this is such a cute idea as well, to leave it like so, like sort of a color on the envelope. So and everything is tied up nice and neat, so when she opens it up, it will be like a beautiful gift as well. So I think I'll put a bow like so. I like that as well. Then are here another handmade envelope from the linen. This is the front, and then when I slide this one up, you will see some beautiful. This is a beautiful applique, then some handmade seam binding. This is again a beautiful seam binding as well, and this is also a handmade seam binding. So just a mix of materials, and I know that she loves using all kinds of materials to create with. She does a lot of junk journaling. So this is also a handmade envelope out of an old flower encyclopedia, and it tucks in a beautiful Battenberg piece. And as I gently, now maybe I will just open this one up like so, that's maybe better. So I just put on a little piece there of washi tape, and it just adds on a little bit more of color. And inside I popped in just a few elements like flowers, beautiful fabric flowers there, a closure pin, some resin pieces, just a mix of different items there. So that's for this. And inside here are a few die cuts that have a beautiful, beautiful image. If you want to see the details, just take a look at the video down below of Carmen's unboxing as well. So you will see all the beautiful details. It has the front and the back as a beautiful pattern of a flower. That's for that. Then I added this beautiful piece of napkins as well, because that's one of the things that she uses a lot. So she will have a full sheet of this. This is going to be a surprise. I totally altered this one up. So she will open that together with you, and you will see what's inside. Again, a altered envelope that I created from an encyclopedia, and this is from the world chart. Inside are tucked in a few beautiful hand crocheted pieces by Patricia, which you can see here. Such a beautiful detail. I just love her layering. I love how she crochets the flowers. It is such a masterpiece. I just love that. Sometimes I want to hoard them all, but sharing them with you, it's much better. So some original Tilda pieces as well, which are also like sort of more shabby chic, but I'm sure that she will be finding a perfect project for that to use them for. So that's for that. I'll tuck it slowly in, putting all the ribbons together. Then a beautiful die cut set again that she can cut up in smaller pieces, and again this is double-sided, so you can use this side or the other side, which is more of a bluish print. Then my last how is this called again? I keep forgetting those names. File folders. This is a beautiful mini file folder, and this one is made by Carmen, and I tucked in some mini manila tags there for her to use as well. So that's for that. Then a very exclusively a unique piece here of crochet. This is a vintage one as well, and this is just has so many elements, like the smaller pieces there as a snippet, and of course this larger one you can totally cut them all up, and this will be like a sort of a masterpiece for starting creating new items, and I cannot wait to see how she will turn this in her as a masterpiece herself. So this is what I said, the pieces from that beautiful encyclopedia, and this is from the chart of Netherlands, from Holland, where I'm from. Yeah, these are some faux leather pieces that are cut into like doilies. So That's this. And if you want to see where I live, oh, let me see. Oh, no, that part is just cut off over there, but where there's a hole here, this is Almere, this is Flevoland, and that's where I live. But it didn't exist on that map, of course, because this is a vintage map. But this is yeah, just a map of Holland. Then there's these beautiful Minte collection papers. I just leave them all inside there. I just wanted to share with you the back, and that also has a beautiful like tea card images that have beautiful botanical images there, illustrations, I must say. And all the names are down below, and of course they're in Dutch, but I'm sure that if she really is interested, she can look them all up. So she will open this beautiful paper pack together with you as well. And last but not least is this beautiful sort of a filigree paper piece. These I bought from Brittany as she was shopping in the store, and she got live, and I told her, oh, please, if you can find certain things, and she found like a sort of mixed media package, and I put in this filigree piece. Of course, this one is the filigree piece that you see is the fine filigree paper, and it's from this brand, and that's the color. And I also tucked in a beautiful, behind this this sheet, I tucked in a beautiful, very structured sheet of paper. And she will open that up as well and share that with you. So that's all in this beautiful Happymail that's going off to a new home, to going to ARTYmaze. And of course I cannot wait to see and hear what she thinks about the beautiful items, and I hope she loves them as much as I loved creating it and putting it together for her. And I cannot wait to hear what you think as well about the Happymail, maybe some other videos that you would like to see. And don't forget to take a look at the video that it's linked down below of Carmen's a DT package. And of course, if you have more questions about that, just let me know and I'll contact you as soon as possible. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.